Welcome back to Calculated Education. Today we're taking a look at a GRE Quantitative Analysis practice question. Here we're given the radius of circle C is 50% greater than the radius of circle A. And then it says the radius of circle B is 50% less than the radius of circle C. Now if we remember, an area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. So the larger the radius, the larger the area, right? So we want to see our relationship between A and B, as we see quantity A and quantity B is the area of circle A and the area of circle B. We want to compare the radiuses of circle A and circle B. So here we can create two equations. If we know radius C is 50% greater than circle A, which means it's going to be 1.5 times A. So the 1 keeps the value of A, and then the 0.5 adds the additional 50% of A, right? So it's 50% greater than A. And then we have the radius of B is 50% less, so just 0.5, right, of circle C. So here we know what C stands for, so now we can compare the radius of A to the radius of B. And that's the whole purpose of what we're trying to do here. So we'll use equation B. We'll use the second equation here. I'll number them for us. We want to use equation number 2. And we want to substitute C in. So we know C is equal to, after we do 0.5, we know C is equal to 1.5 times A. Fabulous. We can simplify this. It's going to be 0.75A. Half of 1.5 is 0.75 or 3/4, 75%. So here we have our relationship or our ratio between B and A. If B is 0.75 of A, that means A is greater than B. And if the radius of A is greater than the radius of B, we're going to have a greater area than B, right? Circle A is going to have a greater area than the area of circle B. And so therefore, our solution is pretty straightforward. It's A. So two key things you want to make sure you do. You want to make sure you know what your equation is for an area of a circle. Then you're able to see how the radius contributes to that area. And then 2, you want to find the ratio between the two areas you're trying to relate, or the two radiuses you're trying to relate, at least in this question. But that's it for today. If you want to see your questions answered or have any additional questions or need additional tutoring, do not hesitate to email calculatededucation@gmail.com, or you can sign up for online tutoring, private tutoring via the link below. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.